Do you know there are 5 ways to say clothes in Korean? Seems like a lot, right? But don't worry, you only need to know one word for everyday conversation in Korean. That word is 옷. You can use 옷 when you want to talk about clothing such as shirts, dresses, and pants. Here's an example. 와, 지수 언니 옷 진짜 이쁘다. 내 스타일이야. This means, wow, Jisoo, your clothes are so pretty. Totally my style. Another example is, 이 옷 너무 예뻐서 내가 입고 다닐 거야. This means, this outfit is so pretty, I'm going to wear it. If you want to say the word clothing, you would use 의류. This is commonly used in written language. You'll find it in specific situations, such as in fashion articles or clothing stores. For example, 여성 의류 means women's clothing. Thanks for learning with me today. 다음에 만나요.